today is. It's my microversary, my microversary. Do you know what today is? It's my microversary, my microversary. 12 months have passed, ay, 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 ay. Still growing hair, ay, 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 ay. Healthy hair, don't care, ay, 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 ay. I got bars for days, ay, 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 ay. I got my edges laid, ay, ay. Okay, I am done. Listen, I'm done. I'm so excited. All you can see is cheese and grilling up in the screen. But listen, y'all, I done reached 12 months. You already know what time it is. It's time for the hair porn. I'm excited. I can't wait to rewatch this video to see this shit. Hey! All right, let me go ahead and get started. Hey, it's Estä, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Bun, aka Buns. Hey, how are you? You doing good, boo? Oh, am I interrupting the hair porn situation here? I know, but I just wanted to go ahead and chime in. If you have not subscribed, you might as well go ahead and subscribe and go ahead and hit that bell notification while you're at it. Hey, what's up, my OGs? I see you, boo. Okay. I'm leaving. Okay, bye. I cannot believe this is crazy. OMG. Let's go ahead and start up with these updates. All right, so my wash routine is still the same. It's still 7 to 10 days. Nothing really changed, you know. Still doing the same thing. Like they said, if it's not broke, don't fix it. Just manipulate it. Oh, bars. The biggest question of all is, do I still braid and band? Yes, I do. Listen, I feel like the texture of my hair is like a little and I do not want to mess up what's going on. So yes, I am still braiding and banding. I still do scalp massages weekly. I also still keep my hands out of my head. That is very, very important. Keep your hands out your head. Yes, your hair looks so good and you want to play in it all the time, but let me tell you, that eliminates so much breakage, so much shedding, so much, okay? One of the major updates that has happened is that I had to move my retie session a few weeks forward, meaning that I no longer retie my hair every 4 to 6 weeks. I actually retie my hair every 3 to 4 weeks. I cannot pass 5 weeks or 4 weeks because the new growth be ridiculous. I don't know. I guess everybody has their season of growth, but my season of growth is in the summer and it's ridiculous. So I had to put it every 3 weeks. I still do the 3-point, 2-point rotation. I have 3-point rotation all over my head and the first 2 rows of my head is 2 points. All right, so I've said this in multiple videos before, but I'm gonna say it again. I do trim my ends and I trim my ends every 4 months. So that's like 3 times in a year. And also I do groom my locks, meaning every month I would go in and check to see if there's any lint and also if there's any holes and I will repair them. I have a confession to make and I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this in other videos that I've posted, but I don't really tie up my hair at night often, and I feel like that's one of the reasons why I implemented a grooming day, because I really don't. I be forgetting. Sometimes it comes off and it's hot. The older you get, the more night sweats you have. They didn't tell me that growing up. So yeah, I don't wear a bonnet or do-rag often. One major thing that I will start doing is ACV washes. I done an ACV wash yesterday and I am mind blown. I have not done an ACV wash before, and you know, I be feeling like, yeah, y'all talk about it. Does it really work? Does it really help? Like, you know, but I feel like I'm not at the point to get a detox yet. So I feel like I'm gonna get a detox probably in a year and a half of being locked. So I feel like I don't really need it yet. I didn't know that thing works so heavenly. My hair was so fluffy, my curls were so juicy, and my scalp was so clean, but not stripping. So I like it. So I'm gonna implement that at least once a month. I currently have a giveaway happening. Yes, sis and bro. I can't forget about you guys. Listen, all you have to do is click the description box down below and you will see what you need to do. I also have it on this iCard here for you. Yes, king and queen, I see you. Thanks so much for staying to the end of this video. I appreciate you so much. And don't forget to go ahead and click that subscribe button. And also click that bell notification button right next to it. Also, I want to go ahead and say thank you to all my new subscribers. And of course, thank you so much to my OG subscribers. I will see you guys on the flip side. Bye. Hi. Hi. It's Estä here, and guess what? I got some photos and videos for you on this growth journey. I know. I had to go into the archives to dig up this stuff for you. So you can see. So I could see what this journey bars. Anyways, enjoy.